Sup, everybody. Superboy Gamer TV here, and today this video is going to be talking about probably the worst group community I have ever seen in my entire life. So this game is called Dragon Ball RP, Dragon Ball Super Gogeta, but we're not going to be taking a look at this game for now. We're going to be talking about the group. This group is absolutely terrible. I saw what was in this group, and I'm actually scared to see again. Like, look at this. So when you go in here, it just looks like an innocent group. Okay, it just looks like a normal group and stuff. So the creative, this says next move sets / clothes are Kanba, which is Cumber, Gohan, and Ultra Instinct Goku for the Ultra Instinct Game Pass. For the Ultra Instinct Game Passes. And nobody even talks about all of the things that I've highlighted. Nobody even talks about those. They only talk about the things that I've highlighted right here. Ultra Instinct Goku for the Ultra Instinct Game Pass. So, this person has common sense, so praise him. He has common sense. This is stupid. Look at this. Will you do 50 minutes Universal Goku for free? Please, please, please. This just annoys me. And then, obviously, Universal Goku is this game passes, and it costs 450 Robux, and this kid wants it for free. For free. You can tell that he is very young. Like I'm a kid too, but at least I have common sense. Okay. So this guy, he is the one that just angers me the most. He just enrages me. I just clench my fists when I read the sentence. Okay. Look, the first thing I read was, okay, I be patient, but please, free Ultra Instinct and Mastered Ultra Instinct. So not only does he want Ultra Instinct, but Mastered Ultra Instinct. What? Dude, you're pushing it just with free Ultra Instinct, and now suddenly you want Mastered Ultra Instinct too. Yeah, it's just... You're a living sperm, because that's how smart you are. A living sperm smart. For Robux is just my wish. I can be patient a year. No, he can't be patient. He cannot be patient at all, because look, this guy has common sense too. And this guy too. There are some people here that have common sense, but the majority of this group is just absolutely trash. And so these people have common sense, so I won't be talking about these guys. So, let's go down here. Let's see. What is manga coming? Okay, so this is just a simple question. Nothing wrong with that. A message to people asking for free Master Ultra Instinct Pass. He won't make it free. Wow, you have common sense. Add Saiyaman to the morphs. Okay, so innocent question. Add King Kai to the morphs. Innocent question. And this guy just ruins the entire good flow of the group. Again, hey, hi, just for say again. Ew. So like some edgy kid or something. Can we have Ultra Instinct for free with some Master Ultra Instinct skills? Like dodge and glare attack and Master Ultra Instinct for all skill? Because I don't have Robux. Thank. So he not only does he places once, but he places it twice. Let's see how many grammar mistakes there is. Oh my god, I can't count. Okay. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4, I guess. 5. 6, 7. There are 7 mistakes in this. This is just depressing, actually. I don't know if I counted it right, but I'm just going insane at this point. So he is updating GT moveset of normal Ultra Instinct or the Master Ultra Instinct Game Pass. They're literally the same. Technically, they're not even directly things. I think the Rig Robots is the thing that has Ultra Instinct, right? Okay, well, yeah, Rig Robots has the thing, but like, dude, can't you just be happy with you know what? Screw this. Well, I need to show just how much things the owner has put in for free. He could have made this all game passes. He could have just made this all the game. He could have just made all the game passes. But the owner had a kind enough heart to make it free for all the people that wanted to create an LC. And obviously my head's not gonna load in. So look at all this. He could have made all of this a giant game pass, but he didn't. So look, Dragon Ball Super Gogeta moveset, Broly, Goku Black, Future Trunks, Vegito, Kefla. Y'all are so freaking greedy. You guys are actually so greedy. You want Master Ultra Instinct for free. I can't be saying y'all because not everyone is greedy like this, but what? Like, look at all this stuff. Can't you just work with this? And it's just shameful, because look at how much things. They give you so much clothing. Well, not so much clothing at the time, but they give you clothing, blah, blah, blah. And now, let's go into the Ultra Instinct section. Yep, this is all you get. This one little tiny sad morph is all you get. And people want it for free. Anyone who wants who wants Master Ultra Instinct for free is a greedy piece of bad stuff. That's all I'll say. You're just extremely greedy if you want it for free. Like, people pay for this stuff. How can you want it for free? That's gonna be wasted Robux. People actually pay for this stuff. It just disgusts me. And so let's just go down here. Okay then. So for those that want to repeat, alright then, yes, this guy is yeah, like there are some people that are defending this group. They're trying to save it, but it's dying. Like, this is bad. For those that want Robux or free game pass, please stop asking for that junk. This isn't a Roblox group. This isn't a Robux group. And he won't just give out game passes unless he feels like it. Please stop asking for that junk. Super exactly. I have the Master Ultra Instinct game passes and I didn't ask for it. So kick me. Help me. You have to fix this. And yeah, and one last comment from this guy. Hold on. He said that he said it again or something. Let me find it. I don't know, but look at this. Can you make that Ultra Instinct moveset Goku for free? Same with Master Ultra Instinct. Okay, so this is a cool suggestion, but the majority of the group are just freaking idiots who don't want anyone to be special, and they just want to have it all for themselves. Like, they are extremely greedy. They want it all for free. So yeah, it's gonna be the end of this topic. I'm just really mad, and I hope that he does not make it free. I hope that that the Golden Banana does not listen to all of these triggered kids wanting things that people actually freaking pay for to be free. In the description, you should just put it to stop asking for that. And I hope this group gets better, because honestly, this group owns like one of my favorite games. So I actually just hope it gets better. So yeah, that's the end of the review. Bye guys.